Hey, check this out!
Today we are learning fruit.
Yay.
Fruit, refreshing, vitamin C packed, wonderful, lots of fiber. This is a great thing coming forward to us. Tony D, the word for fruit is voće.
Voće.
Very good, Tony. Voće.
Voće.
Super. So we got a list of 7 different varieties of fruit. 7. Give me the word for 7. DJ Mo.
7 is sedam.
Sedam dalmatinski, sedam proper, right?
Sedam is the proper one.
Proper
correct?
one.
Yeah.
So Draven in Zagreb doesn't say sedam. If you're on the coast, you'll say sedan, like the
There
car,
you go.
sedan.
Sedan.
So that's a little
Sedan.
variation right there. So sedam, right? Broj sedam. We got 7 varieties of fruit. Number 1 is the apple. Are you ready for the first apple, Tony?
Da.
Jabuka.
Jabuka.
It's a nice one. Jabuka.
Jabuka.
Starting with the letter J. Jabuka. Jabuka.
Jabuka.
You like apples, Tony?
Jabuka? Jabuka?
Not at all.
Jabuka.
Nope.
How do you like them
Net-
apples?
How do you like them jabukas?
Ile ti obožavaš jabuke?
Je obožavaš?
I'm asking you, je ti obožavaš jabuke? What do you think I'm asking you?
Do I like apples?
Do you adore apples?
Do I adore apples? Yes, I do.
Yeah, I like jabuke. Very nice. Moving on to the next one, very universal. The orange is naranča.
Naranča.
Yeah, very good. Naranča. We were just thinking, is there any other language that doesn't use that a variable of orange? Right? We said it was in Spanish. Naranja.
Naranja.
Yeah, in German it's orangen. I mean, it's very. Maybe there's a language out there. I just don't know it.
Yeah, that's...
I'm not saying I'm
There's a lot of
smarter.
languages I don't know.
Oh yeah, there's probably
a lot of them.
hundreds. Strawberry is the next word we're learning. Strawberry is jagoda.
Jagoda.
So similar to jabuka, but we got jagoda.
Jagoda.
So that's actually a lady name. I know a couple of jagodas. Jagoda.
Jagoda. So you can just call them strawberry?
I don't think they'll answer.
No?
Jagoda.
Hey, strawberry.
Jagode is plural form.
Hey, strawberries.
Hey, strawberries. Make sure you wash them. Rinse those things out. Hold a lot of dirt.
Jagode?
Just learn that. Yeah, jagoda. You have to make sure soak them in water.
Soak them in soak.
Preferably, yeah, soak them both together. Yeah. Okay. Jagoda bath. The next fruit is a pear. Tony, the word for pear is kruška.
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 Kruška is also a like little pet name. Kruška.
Like a pet name? Like a dog or cat
Like
name?
like your little daughter.
Oh,
Kruška.
okay. Kruška.
Yeah. Cherry is the next one. Trešnja.
Trešnja.
Very good. The word for cherry is trešnja.
Trešnja.
Excellent. Here is a famous, very important fruit in Croatian. The fig.
Ooh.
Smokva.
Smokva.
That's a really cool word.
Yeah.
Smokva.
Smokva.
Yeah, man. I mean, that's the late summer.
That burly man that just walked in here.
Smokva.
Smokva.
He got all tough. Okay, and then DJ Mo made a special request for this episode to do fruit. We have the word. This is kind of a complicated one in a sense that there's many words for the word for watermelon. So depending on what part of the country you're from, we picked lubenica. Tony D, lubenica.
Lubenica.
So lubenica can basically mean melon, right? So I remember when we had our celebratory dinner and we had tikva. It was like all squash,
Yeah.
all like that kind of stuff. Lubenica is all kinds of melon. It all kind of all encompasses melon, like you said, honeydew, watermelon, and cantaloupe, right? It could be, that's lubenica. So from where my dad's from, they call watermelon dinja.
Dinja.
Yeah. And then where my mom's from, it's cetrun.
Cetrun.
So all of you out there who've got Croatian family, run this past them. See what options they're used to. Lubenica, dinja, and cetrun. All yummy when cool on a summer day.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
And smash that like button.